First, apply plumbing tape to the hex adapter. Then connect the adapter to the outlet of the filter head. You need to create a seal, but make sure you don't over-tighten it. Next, apply plumbing tape to the braided hose and screw the hose into the inlet of the filter head. Take the cap off the cartridge, line it up and push and twist to secure. Mark the install location for the head and screws. Then screw the head to the inside of the kitchen cabinet. We recommend a horizontal position, but it can be vertical. Make some marks for the stabilising bracket screws. Then remove the cartridge, screw on the bracket and then reconnect the filter cartridge. Next, turn off the cold water to the mixer tap and remove the hose. Apply plumbing tape to the end of the cistern tap and screw on the dual check valve. Then connect the inlet from the filter system to the dual check valve and connect the cold water hose from the mixer tap to the outlet of the filter head. The final stage is to activate and attach the alarm monitor. Remember to check for leaks by turning on the cold water and reseal if needed. Once it's okay, turn on the mixer tap and run the water for 2 to 3 minutes. This will purge the air and activates the water filter so you can enjoy fast flowing filtered water every day.